Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been working in Adobe Acrobat and suddenly got hit with a message that just says an internal error occurred, you already know how frustrating that is because it barely tells you anything useful. In this video, I'm going to explain why this error actually happens and then walk you through exactly how to fix it step by step. So let's start with the why. This error is basically Adobe Acrobat's generic way of saying something went wrong, but I'm not going to tell you what. It's a catch-all message that can be triggered by a bunch of different underlying issues. Most of the time, it happens because of a corrupted or damaged PDF file, meaning the file itself has some kind of internal structural problem that Acrobat can't properly read or process. Other times, it's caused by a glitch in Acrobat's own installation, especially if the program wasn't updated properly or some of its core files got corrupted during an update. It can also happen because of conflicting plugins or add-ons, particularly third-party ones that interfere with how Acrobat handles rendering or saving files. Sometimes it's related to permission issues, where Acrobat doesn't have the proper access rights to read, write, or save a file in a specific folder. And in some cases, it's simply a temporary glitch caused by a corrupted cache or preferences file that Acrobat uses to remember your settings. Now that you understand the possible root causes, let's go through the fixes. The first thing to try is simply restarting Adobe Acrobat completely, and if that doesn't help, restart your computer as well. This clears out any temporary memory issues that might be causing the internal error. If that doesn't work, try opening a different PDF file. If other files open just fine, that tells you the original file is likely corrupted. In that case, try opening it on another device, or ask whoever sent it to you to resend it, or try re-downloading it if it came from the internet. Next, check for updates. Open Acrobat, go to the Help menu, and click on Check for Updates. Adobe frequently patches bugs like this, so running the latest version can resolve the issue entirely. If updating doesn't fix it, try repairing the installation. On Windows, go to the Control panel, find Adobe Acrobat in your list of programs, and choose the Repair option. This rebuilds damaged program files without you having to fully reinstall. If the problem still persists, reset Acrobat's preferences. Close the program completely, then on Windows, go to your App Data folder and locate the Acrobat Preferences file and rename or delete the file inside it. On Mac, you'll find similar preference files in your Library folder. This forces Acrobat to generate a fresh set of default settings, which often clears out corrupted configuration data. Another good step is to disable third-party plugins. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then General, and look for an option related to enabling or disabling add-ons or third-party plugins. Turning these off can rule out plugin conflicts as the cause. Finally, if absolutely nothing else works, uninstall Acrobat completely, restart your computer, and then do a fresh install using the latest installer directly from Adobe's official website. This guarantees you're starting with clean files and no leftover corrupted data from the previous installation. And that's it. If you follow these steps in order, you should be able to get rid of that internal error and get back to working on your documents smoothly. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more tech fixes like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.